Hi there, I'm Khanya, and today I'm going to be making giant pigs in a blanket. I've got pork sausage here, I've got my streaky bacon, very important. I've got some great herbs here, I've got some sage, rosemary and thyme, really great flavors for pork. I've got some fig jam for our glaze. Shallots, totally optional, but I want them here, you'll see why. Oh, I've also got some fresh figs, which you don't necessarily need to have, but I have. So cool, let's get it started. We need to start wrapping up our sausage in bacon, okay? Very easy. You don't even have to be super neat and perfect about it. Last piece of bacon. We went just over 500 grams, like we did really well actually, I think. Woo, children, oh my goodness. Okay, so that's what we got right now. But we've preheated that oven of ours to like 210 or something. Okay, so I am just going to put a little olive oil on here, and then we're gonna slide over this juicy Lucy. And like I said, it does not have to be perfect. I feel like these little like gnarly bits of bacon and stuff are gonna get so crispy in the oven. It's gonna be so good. Okay, a little bit more olive oil on top. We don't need to go crazy because, you know, obviously streaky bacon is super high in fat. Then we're gonna go black pepper, a generous crack of black pepper on top of there. A little bit of salt. Just a bit. Don't have to go nuts with the salt. We've got our mixed herbs that I want us to include. Don't ever say I don't cook vegetables, y'all. Okay, and then we've got our shallots, which I'm just gonna arrange kind of around this. So I'm giving it a little bit of like a roasty kind of feel, but this can definitely be breakfast, like grandiose breakfast, you know, like Christmas morning vibes, especially if you guys don't really do Christmas lunch, Christmas breakfast, yes. Why am I talking about Christmas? Like it's over. Okay, I've got some sage, which I really love. This looks really beautiful. I'm gonna take some of the figs and just scatter them about. And this is picture perfect. This is like Instagram ready and we haven't even cooked yet. A little bit more olive oil on the shallots so they just don't like dehydrate in there. Okay, so I'm gonna throw that guy in the oven for about half an hour, let's say. That's heavy. Okay, so looks amazing. It's fully cooked. So now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our fig jam glaze. So it's really simple. I'm just gonna take 2 enormously heaped spoons, just like that. I'm gonna take that, we're gonna mix it up with some water. And we're gonna just throw a few of our herbs from earlier into the mix. And we're gonna get this on the stove and get it bubbling. And we just wanna get like a nice, like runny but syrupy kind of consistency going here. We're gonna start brushing our glaze onto the sausages. We're gonna put this back in the oven. We're gonna put it on grill. We just wanna get this really nice, sticky kind of glazed exterior going. Yes, okay. All right, that looks amazing. Check it out. We're just gonna carefully lift this bad and bougie girl out of, oh my gosh. Slide her on over to this plate. See how seamless that was? There were absolutely no mistakes whatsoever. Let's just really try and incorporate as much of this in here as possible. Oh, wow. Okay, so there we are. We're gonna just finish this off with some like fresh sage, you know, just for the look. Oh man, I'm really stoked about this. This is so impressive. We're literally just watching Khanya eat food. Delicious. This was a success and I may or may not eat all of this.